Hi, boys and girls. Today we will be learning about a man named Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin was an inventor, which means he created a lot of different things, even things that we still use today. He also worked with electricity, and he also drafted and signed the Declaration of Independence. So I want you to click over here on this yellow link to watch a quick video about him. Now that you've learned a little bit about Benjamin Franklin, I have some fun facts to share with you. I highlighted some key words in each fact so that those can stick in your head as important things to know. First of all, Benjamin Franklin was born in Massachusetts. I actually was born in Massachusetts too. Benjamin worked at a printing press with his brother. He invented the Franklin stove. He signed the Declaration of Independence. He was a delegate for the Constitutional Convention. He had a newspaper that was called the Pennsylvania Gazette. He wrote a book called Poor Richard's Almanac. And he flew a kite with a key in a lightning storm to see if it would show him electricity. And guess what? It did. Some of the things that he invented, like I said before, was the Franklin stove. And what that did is it heated rooms up that were really cold. And I guess it did it even better than fireplaces could. So here's a picture of the Franklin stove. He also invented these glasses called bifocals. They let people see better up close and far away. Then he made these flippers or these swim fins. And what they did is they helped swimmers go faster. And then down here we have the lightning rod. If you notice, the lightning is hitting the top of this pole or rod. And what that does is it protects buildings from fires that might be caused by lightning. Now I want you to look at this page. What this is called is a concept map. If you notice, I went ahead and put Benjamin Franklin's name in the center of the paper, so you can go ahead and do that to yours as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill this out by putting some vocabulary words or some words that you think are important up here in this square. Over here, you might want to draw a picture of either Benjamin Franklin, or it could be one of his inventions. Down here in this box, I want you to write why you think he was an important figure in our country's history. And then over here, what you think some of his character traits might be. For example, he showed that he can commit to something, which is a promise to do something or to give something. He also showed perseverance, which means that he continued even when things got tough. So I want you to go ahead and fill in the map for Benjamin Franklin.